Looking for a simple, clean way to upgrade your computer's audio? These speakers use a single USB cable, eliminating the need for a bulky power adapter. That means fewer wires, less clutter, and a straightforward plug-and-play experience that fits perfectly into any setup. Inside, custom-tuned far-field drivers work alongside rear-facing passive radiators to deliver rich sound and powerful bass. This combination ensures your audio is crisp, clear, and full-bodied, whether you're gaming, streaming music, or joining video calls. The 45 degrees elevated drivers enhance audio projection, creating a more immersive personal listening experience. You'll notice every detail with sound directed right toward you, making these speakers ideal for focused work or entertainment. Beyond performance, these speakers bring modern style to your space. Their sleek, minimal design complements any home, office, or workspace aesthetic without drawing unwanted attention. They blend in while standing out for all the right reasons. Adjusting volume is effortless thanks to the front-facing controls. No more fumbling around, just quick, convenient access to fine-tune your sound exactly how you like it, right at your fingertips. With a frequency response ranging from 100 Hz to 17 kHz, these speakers cover a wide audio spectrum. That means balanced highs and deep lows that bring your content to life with accuracy and depth. Users from the United States praise these speakers as the best external sound solution for monitors without built-in audio. One gamer shared how these speakers transformed their MSI Optics G273 setup, adding both style and sound quality that headphones alone couldn't match. If you want hassle-free, high-quality audio with a sleek design, these single USB cable speakers are worth a look. They deliver clear sound, easy setup, and a modern vibe that fits any space. Try them when you're ready to elevate your listening experience.